Every politician who looks away because the money flows through a friendly constituency is choosing the theft over the citizen. And this is why the left hates the fraud fight. The program gets bigger. Verification gets weaker and harder. Left-wing groups receive grants, consultants receive contracts, politicians announce compassion, and no one wants to ask whether the person cashing the check even exists. Then somebody asks for names, accounts, eligibility, proof, and suddenly every safeguard is cruel. In reality, cruelty is letting criminals empty a program until the people who need it get rationed. Cruelty is making a working family pay more because officials were too frightened or too lazy or oblivious to verify a claim. Cruelty is destroying a private grocery store with taxpayer money and calling it justice. It's incredible how precise government is when it wants something from you. The IRS can find the small business owner over some deduction from years ago. The city can find the parking ticket. The agency can suspend the license. The bank account, as we've all seen, can be frozen. But government gets much more confused. They can't get into the details. They can't find the little things or even the big things when the tables are turned. And we start asking where your money went. Then the records are incomplete. The contractor disappeared. The database does not communicate with the other database. The files were erased. The person who approved it retired. Nobody is responsible. No one is accountable. But everyone still wants a larger budget. That's a racket. It's why the anti-fraud agenda is so critical and such an accomplishment for this administration. And honestly, that's really the choice in front of the country. One side believes the citizen is capable of owning things, building, choosing, speaking, and governing. The other side believes the citizen is just raw material for a political machine. They want your money, your business, your speech, your children, your city, and most importantly, your silence and complicity.